Enjoy a premium drying experience in tight spaces with the Equator Compact Short Dryer Model ED852. With a capacity of 3.5 cubic feet, this vented 1500 watt unit works on nearly all 120 volt electrical outlets. Operate your new, highly efficient dryer using the easy-to-read touchscreen control panels. Smart digital controls allow you to customize every load to carefully dry every garment and fabric. Utilize the ED852's 5 convenient drying programs, including hot, air dry, and time dry. With sensor dry, the cycle automatically ends once the optimal level of dryness is achieved. Enjoy the peace of mind afforded by the built-in door lock, a must-have feature for those who have children. Weighing in at just over 55 pounds, transporting this dryer is far easier than standard-sized units. For most loads, dry times range between 90 and 200 minutes. Upkeep is virtually effortless thanks to the removable lint filter, and thanks to the ED852's easy-to-clean air intake. Your new dryer also comes with Equator's 1-year parts and labor warranty. Make laundry time one of the easiest tasks on your to-do list with the always reliable Equator Compact Short Dryer, now available from Equator Advanced Appliances.